Food processing involves the methods and techniques used to transform raw ingredients into consumable products. It can include anything from washing and cutting to cooking and packaging. The primary goals are to enhance food safety, extend shelf life, and improve nutritional quality. For example, processing tomatoes into sauce not only makes them convenient, but also enhances their flavor. Let's take a look at an overview of food processing techniques. Thermal processing includes several methods. Pasteurization, for instance, involves heating milk to kill pathogens, like at 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Canning, on the other hand, seals food in airtight containers and heats it, such as canned vegetables. These methods effectively kill harmful microorganisms and extend shelf life. For example, pasteurized milk can last weeks in the fridge. Mechanical processing also plays a crucial role. Methods like grinding turn wheat into flour, while mixing combines ingredients for cakes or sauces. This type of processing can change the texture, making it easier to cook or consume. For instance, ground meat cooks faster and is used in various dishes. Chemical processing plays a crucial role in food preservation and enhancement. There are several methods involved in chemical processing. One common method is fermentation. This process converts sugars into acids or alcohol. For example, making yogurt from milk involves fermenting the lactose in the milk. Another method is the use of preservatives. Adding salt or vinegar to pickles is a classic way to preserve them and extend their shelf life. The impact of fermentation is quite significant. It not only extends the shelf life of foods, but also enhances their flavor and adds probiotics. This makes fermented foods like yogurt beneficial for gut health. Let's take kimchi as an example. The process of making kimchi involves fermenting vegetables, which enhances their flavors and adds nutritional benefits. The fermentation process creates a unique taste and boosts the probiotic content, making it a healthy and delicious food choice. Physical processing. Methods like drying and freezing are essential in preserving food. Drying involves removing moisture from fruits to make dried fruits. Freezing, on the other hand, is used to preserve fresh vegetables like peas. These methods help retain nutrients while preventing spoilage. For instance, frozen vegetables can retain more nutrients than fresh ones stored for a long time. Let's compare fresh strawberries to freeze-dried strawberries. While the taste and usage may differ, both forms offer unique benefits. Emerging technologies. Let's dive into some innovative methods. High-pressure processing, or HPP, applies high pressure to foods to kill bacteria without using heat, such as in juices. Pulsed electric fields, or PF, use short bursts of electricity to eliminate bacteria. These techniques minimize heat damage, preserving both flavor and nutrients. For example, HPP juice retains its fresh taste and vibrant color. Impact on food quality and safety. Processing can either enhance or diminish nutritional quality. For instance, fortifying orange juice with calcium increases its nutritional profile. Comparing whole fruits with fruit juices, we see that while juices may lose fiber, they can gain added vitamins. When it comes to microbial safety, methods like pasteurization and canning help eliminate harmful bacteria. The 2011 Listeria outbreak linked to cantaloupes underscores the need for safe processing. Processing also affects sensory properties such as taste, texture, and aroma. For example, roasting nuts enhances their flavor compared to raw nuts. In conclusion, food processing techniques play a crucial role in our food system, influencing not only safety and shelf life, but also the nutritional quality and sensory attributes of the foods we consume. From thermal methods like pasteurization and canning to emerging technologies such as high-pressure processing, each technique has its unique benefits and applications. Understanding these methods allows us to appreciate the science behind food preservation and the importance of ensuring food safety in our daily lives. As future food technologists, it's essential to consider how these processes affect not just the longevity of food, but also its nutritional value and overall quality. As we move forward in our studies, I encourage you to think critically about the food processing methods you encounter and their impacts on health and sustainability. Embracing innovation in food processing will be key to addressing future challenges in the food industry. Thank you for your engagement today, and I look forward to our next discussion.